Assalamualaikum y'all. Peanut Public. Today I just want to talk about my air fresheners. Y'all have seen them. If you've been watching these videos, you've been seeing me making parts of them, working on them. Today I just want to talk about them. It's not a thing that I believe that I have any claim over, although I have not seen them made by anyone else. I have not seen them for sale on Etsy or anywhere else. I feel like it's an idea that I want to share with people because it's helpful. I came up with it as an idea to be able to make something for my mother out of hemp, because she has sensitive skin, so hemp is scratchy. I mean, I know it gets softer over time. If you wear hemp, you know it gets softer over time, but you know you've got to actually wear it when it's scratchy to get to that point. And I don't want to make her have to do that. So I came up with the idea of air fresheners because she also has issues with strong smells, making her sneeze. So came up with the idea to make these air fresheners. You tie them around your rear view mirror with a single half square, like you're tying your shoe. Bam. Soak your pendant in oil, essential oil if you want it for medical benefits, scented oil if you just want it to smell good. Hang it around your rear view mirror, and then when it stops smelling, you can pull it off real easy because it's just one single knot. Re-oil it. As far as okay, y'all have seen those pine trees. They're made of styrofoam, they're filled with chemicals, they're toxic, and most of them smell awful. Like, they had a patchouli scented one at one place I saw one time, and it was that awful bug spray patchouli that you smelled on the dirtiest, weirdest people. But I love patchouli, so I mean, I want a patchouli air freshener. Yeah, it might not be fooling nobody, but sometimes it's nice to smell a little bit of patchouli. So I know this isn't supposed to be a tutorial of any kind, but I will say that when I make them, I usually start it out with a full square knot. I have done them in others, but the important thing is once I go from the part that hangs from the rear view mirror, that I transition to braids, because braids tie easier, they're more flexible, and then you can tie a square knot here to stop yourself from being able to tighten any further. And then these just look cool dangling right next to it later on. If this is an idea that you want to use, I really hope that you will. Feel free to give me credit if you don't. I really couldn't care less. You are hopefully eliminating waste in air fresheners, and I'm all about that. So that's my air freshener video. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I hope that if you don't want to buy my air fresheners, that you will make some of your own or buy someone that someone else makes, so we can all smell delicious oils and avoid styrofoam waste. Assalamu alaikum, y'all.